Hello! If you've never seen me before, I'm Coin Ring Maker from coinringmaker.com. Today we're going to be making some quarters into coin rings, and these are 40% off right now. Just tap the little shopping cart down here. And if you want to watch me make some, hang out. If you have any questions, put them in the chat. First thing we got to do is punch a hole in the quarter. So that's what this tool helps me do. It centers the coin right in the middle. This is a 1/2 inch punch. We're just going to hammer that right on through. Just like that. There's our nice little sun ray, a little bit of clouds, nice family in their wagon, cute little center punch. There is our quarter so far. This is a 90% silver proof quarter. So it's got really great details on it. And it won't turn your finger green. These are 40% off right now. Just tap the shopping cart down here if you want one. Pick your state and size. I'll get to work on it for you. If you have any questions, put them in the chat. Alright, so the next step is to clean up that inside edge right there. We're going to take our deburring tool and just cut away some of that rough metal. Smooth it out. And do the other side. Should be pretty good. That's looking a lot smoother. I like to take some 4-0 steel wool, super fine steel wool, and just smooth that outside, or that inside a little bit more. Sorry, this is like my 4th live today, so my mouth ain't working right. But if anybody has any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. And these coin rings are 40% off for the next 22 hours, I believe. So if you want to get one, now's a good time to do it. Tap the little shopping cart down here. Now we're going to anneal it. This is going to help soften the metal up, make it a little easier to fold and shape. So our coin so far, we're going to take it over here and fold it a little bit. Over there, yeah. Y'all tap the shopping cart, check out the reviews, they're all very nice. The silver one's a little newer, so I don't have any reviews on it yet, but check out the reviews on the copper one. See what people are saying. I really like the sun on this one. It's really cool. This is Nebraska. It makes a really good looking ring. Again, if anybody has any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. Thanks for stopping by and watching. If you're enjoying the live, make sure to tap the screen a couple times. Currently got 1 like on this live. It's a little rough. I'll take it. Whoever tapped the screen once, thank you. You're the true fan. That one person who accidentally touched the screen. Alright, so this is my ring stretcher. It's going to help us stretch our ring out a little bit. I like to use a blue paper towel as a bit of a buffer between the stretcher and the ring, especially when I'm working with silver. It's going to help keep the details on the inside nice and crisp. Yeah, y'all check out the shopping cart right here. These are 40% off right now. It's a pretty good deal. If you have any questions, put them in the chat. Cutting right through that paper towel. Bam. After stretching it a little bit, these do tend to work harden, so we're going to go ahead and anneal this one again, soften it up a little bit. Should make it a little easier. For anybody who's just joined in here and is like, what in the world is going on? I'm coin ring maker. I make coins into rings, and currently I've got a flash sale going for my stake quarter coin rings. They're both 40% off right now. If you want to check that out, tap the shopping cart right here. If you have any questions, put them in the chat. Thanks for watching. Thanks. I think it's pretty cool as well. What's better than getting something cool on sale? It's hard to beat. Gotta stretch it a bit more. There we go, 11.5, that should be good. Now if you take a good look at it right now, you can see that the reeded edge here is a little bit wider than the cut edge. And that happens because of the shape of the ring stretcher. So I stretch this about half a size over. What I'm gonna do next is reduce this reeded edge so we have a nice straight, even wall and make the ring look a lot nicer. Do I have certain coins for certain size rings? I have like limitations on coins. I have like size ranges. So the actual size range for quarters is 4 to 12. So if you don't see your size in the listing, just pick another one, and you can put like 4.5 or 11.5 if you need to. I can do half and quarter sizes. So the max size for quarters is 12. Max size for half dollars is 14. Max size for dollars, like Morgan dollars and piece dollars, is 16. And then 1 ounce silver rounds, I can get them up to 18. So like the larger the coin, the bigger the ring size I can make it. Now, I didn't make this thumb ring. I've had it for a long time. I got this at Knott's Berry Farms from another ring maker. At that time, I wasn't making rings. I'm surprised I haven't lost it. But it's called like a Celtic knot. It's a pretty cool design. I like it. Never thought I'd be a thumb ring kind of guy. But once I put this on, it stuck around. Alright, so now we've got this in a really nice shape, nice even wall. But on the inside here, there's a raised little lip of metal right there. That's not very comfortable, so I like to remove that. So that's the next thing I'm going to do. While I do that, you'll tap the shopping cart, check out the sale. These are 40% off right now. If you have any questions, put them in the chat. Thanks for watching. If you're enjoying the live, tap the screen. We're almost at 2,000 likes. Let's go. Did I design my wife's ring? I've made her a lot of rings. So pretty much anytime I get a new coin in my inventory, she is the first one to snatch the ring I make. So she has a lot of rings I've made for her. My biggest fan, for sure. A little bit left there. Thank you guys for tapping the screen. Almost at 2,000. Again, if anybody has any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. If you just joined in, we're making quarters into rings, and they're on sale. So tap the shopping cart. That looks much better. This had to be size 11, so we got to reduce it just a little bit. And I'm about to have to hop off of here. If you guys want to catch me next time I go live, hit the follow button. Thanks for stopping by and spending some time with me. And, you know, check out the flash sale. 40% off doesn't happen every day. So if you want a coin ring, get you one. Perfect. Size 11. Try and clean this up just a little bit before I hop off of here. Again, if anybody has any questions, now's a good time to ask. And I hope the rest of you guys have a wonderful evening. Been a very busy day here at coinringmaker.com. This will get a bit more of a polish before I send it out, but that's the basic idea. Pretty good looking ring. All right, guys, we'll catch you next time. Have a good night. Peace.